Doge wake up in the morning, heart already racing, chest feel tight, brain already thinking about everything that could go wrong today. The email Doge did not reply to. The thing Doge said 3 years ago, that was slightly awkward. The meeting later that Doge definitely not prepared for. Doge has not even got out of bed yet. Such worry. Very overwhelmed. But here is the thing. Doge is not broken. Doge brain is just doing exactly what it was built to do. It is trying to protect Doge. It is just doing it very badly in the modern world. Today, Doge teach you exactly what anxiety is, why Doge brain created, and 5 science-backed ways to make it stop. First, what is anxiety? Anxiety is not weakness. Anxiety is Doge threat detection system going into overdrive. Deep inside Doge brain lives a tiny almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. The amygdala is Doge ancient alarm system. When Doge ancestors see a lion, amygdala fire immediately. Heart rate go up, breathing get faster, muscles tense, blood rush to legs for running. This is called the fight or flight response. It saved Doge ancestor life many times. Very useful back then. Problem is, Doge amygdala cannot tell difference between real lion and scary email, between actual danger and awkward social situation, between life or death and presentation at work. So, Doge body react the same way to all of them. Heart racing, chest tight, palms sweaty, thoughts spiral. All because of an email. Much overreact. Very ancient brain. Second, why modern life make anxiety worse. Doge ancestor deal with maybe 2 or 3 real threats per day. Modern Doge deal with hundreds of perceived threats before lunchtime. Notification from boss. Ding. Negative news headline. Ding. Social media comparison. Ding. Each one triggers a small amygdala response. Each one releases a little cortisol into Doge system. Cortisol is Doge stress hormone. In small amounts, cortisol is fine and useful. But modern Doge has cortisol dripping into system all day, every day. This keeps Doge nervous system in a constant low-level state of alarm. Body never fully relax. Brain never fully switch off, always waiting for the next threat. Such exhausting, very unsustainable. Third, what chronic anxiety do to Doge body? Most Doge think anxiety is just a feeling, but chronic anxiety cause real physical damage. High cortisol shrink the hippocampus, the part of brain responsible for memory and learning. This is why anxious Doge forget things and cannot think clearly. High cortisol destroy sleep quality. Poor sleep make anxiety worse, which make cortisol higher, which destroy sleep more. Vicious cycle. Very bad loop. Chronic anxiety also weaken immune system, make Doge more likely to get sick, and increase risk of heart disease over time. Anxiety is not just in Doge head, it is slowly breaking Doge body. Much serious, such need to fix. But good news, Doge can fix. Here is how. Fix 1. Doge control his breathing. When amygdala fire, Doge breathing get fast and shallow. This sends signal to brain that danger is real and makes anxiety worse. But Doge can hack this system. Breathing is the only automatic body function Doge can consciously control. Slow, deep breathing sends signal to brain that everything is safe. Doge, try this. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, out for 6 seconds. This is called physiological sigh, and it activates Doge parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. Opposite of fight or flight. Do this for 2 minutes and Doge heart rate drop and anxiety reduce significantly. Such simple, very powerful. Wow! Fix 2. Doge reduce cortisol inputs. Remember, every notification, every news headline, every social media scroll add cortisol to Doge system. So Doge do this. No phone for first 30 minutes after waking. No news in the morning. Notification off for all non-essential apps. Doge check phone on his schedule. Not whenever phone demand. This alone reduced background anxiety dramatically for most Doge. Much control. Very calm. Fix 3. Doge move his body. Exercise is most powerful anxiety treatment that exists. When Doge exercise, body burn off excess cortisol and adrenaline. Brain release endorphins and BDNF. BDNF grow new brain cells and strengthen prefrontal cortex. Stronger prefrontal cortex mean better control over amygdala. Studies show even 20-minute walk reduce anxiety as effectively as a low-dose anxiety medication. Wow, such walk. Very powerful. Fix 4. Doge named the anxiety. This sound too simple, but science back it completely. When Doge feel anxious, instead of fighting the feeling, Doge say out loud or write down exactly what he feel. I feel anxious about the meeting. I feel scared about this situation. This is called affect labeling. Putting feeling into words activate prefrontal cortex and reduce amygdala activity immediately. Simply naming the anxiety make it smaller. Such science. Very well. Fix 5. Doge build consistent routine. Anxiety thrive in uncertainty and chaos. Consistent routine give Doge nervous system a sense of safety and predictability. Same wake time, same sleep time, regular meals, regular exercise. When Doge body know what is coming next, it relax. Amygdala, calm down. Cortisol, stay low. Doge feel in control. Very stable, much calm. Such routine. So now Doge know the truth. Anxiety is not weakness. It is an ancient alarm system stuck in the modern world. Control breathing, reduce cortisol inputs, move body, name the feeling, build routine. If Doge do this every day, one morning Doge will wake up and notice something different. Heart not racing, chest not tight, brain not spiraling, just Doge, calm, present, ready for the day. And Doge will think, wow, much calm, very peaceful Doge, such accomplish. Stay Doge.